Hi gadgets, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do something a little different today. So this is a total spur of the moment video, but I thought it would be really cool to do. I'm not a super huge DIY person. I dibble and dabble, but it's not my forte. But I was sitting on the couch just now and looking at my jeans. I've had these black jeans forever, and Old Navy jeans, one of my favorite brands. And there's a rip on the side of them, and I'm like, no, and they actually don't fit anymore because your girl has lost weight. She has, so they don't fit anymore. But they're just like a comfy pair of jeans to just throw on, and they have a rip in the side of them. So I said, well, summer is coming up, so why not just make these into some shorts? They weren't really expensive, and I can definitely buy a new pair in a size that fits. But it's always nice to have shorts that are a little baggier. So I'm going to show you guys how to make cutoff shorts from your jeans. Here we go. Okay, awkward angle, but I'm back, changed to some leggings, and now I'm going to show you what you do. So while I had them on, I outlined where I wanted to cut. You can always make it shorter, you can't make it longer, so you don't want to cut too high too quickly, but just lay one leg flat on the ground. Boom. And there we go. Throw it away. All right. And then to cut the other side, all you're going to do is just fold it over. Okay, so they're a little long. Not crazy long, but just a little bit. So I think I'm going to take about an inch. Yeah, I'm going to take about an inch. Okay, so I'm sort of eyeballing it, but I think I'm going to cut them. Get better lighting for you guys. Okay, I think I'm going to cut them to here, so they'll be straight across the bottom, but I'm going to fringe them, so I don't want them to get too short. But that's what I'm going to do. So once they're to the length of your liking, the last thing we're going to do before we fray them is just cut them in a slight diagonal. That's going to help them fit better. Like I said, I'm doing a little bit of trimming just where it's not so straight. And I told y'all this is me, attempting to do something with you. Told you I'm not a dabble, but I'm not a huge DIY person. But I thought, why not repurpose them? Yeah, just a little bit like that. Alright, and to fringe, it's really, really simple. Just take a pair of tweezers, any kind of work, and this is just going to take you a while, but you just want to start going to town and just pulling on the raw edge until they start to come apart. You can see it's already starting. If you can see that, I have to bring you guys in closer probably, but you just want to pull on the edge and start fraying at the end. You can do this with scissors or a knife as well, and just know that's a little more dangerous, but it's just take you a little bit, probably like a 10-15 minute thing. Alright, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished product when I'm all done, but I'll bring you in closer. So as you can see, it's already starting to fringe at the bottom. Okay, so it's been a few days, and I'm going to insert a shot of how the shorts turned out. I love how they turned out. They are just nice and raw edge hem, just jagged. Something really just easy to throw on for the summer on top of a swimsuit or with an outfit. This is kind of how I would style it with the thermal and the sandals that I'm showing. Just something easy and quick to put on. I love it. And I love that I didn't have to get rid of these jeans just because they had a hole and they no longer fit me all the way. Now I can wear them as a high-waisted jean. So super, super cute. I love how they come out. Let me know if you like these kind of DIY videos so I know to do more of them. If you did, please give me a thumbs up in the comments below, and also comment if you like them and how do you cut your jeans, or what do you do with your jeans that you want to make something different. Do you make them shorts? You make them a jacket? I mean, what do? You can do so many things, I guess. Let me know if you want to see more of these types of videos. Please hit subscribe and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload, and I'll see you guys in my next video.